Si ano? Ay bitot. Gawin natin 1 hour to, ha? Para sulit na. Sulit na sulit. Mag-apply ako tagalinis ni Chris. Kaya ko yan. Uy, hindi mo kaya ito. Super lapad ito. Tagabunot ng damo. Mag 2 hours nga ako. Wala namang tao. 1 hour lang. Flex na yan. I-flex na yan. May langka ako dito, guys. I-flex ko yan. Wow! Sakido! You did not finish your pods. Snoopy, you did not finish your pod. Snoopy, you did not finish your pod that your daddy provided for you. Oh my gulay, asan na langka ko dito? Nawala na lahat. Nawala ng lahat. Saan na kayo? Ay, nasira ang mga langka, guys. Ganun talaga, guys, pag palaging naulan, tapos may bunga ng langka, nasisira siya. Kawawa naman. Ay, grabe. Kawawa. Wala na langka ko. Ayan, nahulog na sila lahat. Kawawa naman. Snoopy, what are we gonna do? Snoopy, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Snoopodo? My langka is gone, Snoopodo. Snoopy, Snoop. My langka is gone. Ow, ow, ow. Snoopy.
Oh my gosh. You hardly had anything, Don.
I know, you did not put a... Oy! Psst.
Oh, he didn't either. He didn't finish it. I didn't put what?
Salt.
Huh?
Salt. Salt or...
Salt.
Yeah. Or soy sauce. I know, but because it doesn't have a whole lot of sauce in it, so that's why maybe they did not eat, because it's just a plain rice. So if something like that, they need more salty. Yeah.
Can I put some in it?
Yeah.
Give it back to them?
Yeah, try it. Put some salt in it, or just a little bit of soy sauce. Ayan, guys, challenge ko ang sarili ko. Magbuko tayo. Buko! Sino marunong mag-open ng buko dyan? Oh, ayan ang nanay nila, guys. Oh, buntis na naman.